Last year in 2025, I made over $6,500 directly from my YouTube channel. So today, I'm going to show you and break down all of the numbers for you. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope you had a safe and happy holiday season. It is now January 2026, and what I like to do at the end of every year here on the channel is, for the sake of transparency, break down all the numbers from the past year, because I believe that while you guys are watching and sharing and liking and interacting with all these videos, that's helping me make money. It's only fair to show you guys the impact that you and the audience have on creators such as myself and other small creators in the YouTube space. Now, not all of the money that I generated in 2025 came from YouTube ads, although the majority of it did, but I also have affiliate income and a couple other sources of revenue that came to my grand total revenue number from 2025. I've got my MacBook Air here. Let's go through the numbers. So last January 2025, we had 49,500 views here on the channel, 1.8 thousand watch hours. We gained 52 subs. Thank you all. And we made $340.93 in YouTube AdSense revenue. I should also preface by saying all these figures are in Canadian dollars. If you know anything about how YouTube ads work, typically over the holiday season, you get more money because more people are spending on advertising because they're trying to sell more product during the holidays. January is usually kind of a tail end of that, and then it tapers off and really drops down through the next couple of months. In February, about similar viewership, 45,100 views, 1.7 thousand watch hours. We gained 73 subs, so even more than January, but only generated $290.90 in revenue from YouTube ads. So big drop off, even though the viewership was not that different. In March, we had 48.5K views. So again, kind of similar to what we had been doing so far. 1.8K watch hours. We gained 81 subscribers. Thank you all. And we made $285.92 in revenue. So again, kind of hovering around that $290 to $300 range outside of those big peaks for me. And that's pretty typical, at least what I've seen over the years. April, things kind of dropped off with only 39.6K views, 1.3K watch hours, 67 gained subscribers, and only $240.04 in revenue. So a big dip from kind of the tail end of the holiday and the start of 2025. In May, we had 43.8K views, 1.3K watch hours, we gained 63 subscribers, and did $250.25 in YouTube ads. And then in June, things started to go in the right direction again. 39.7K views, 1.3K watch hours, 156 subscribers gained, and $408.21 in YouTube ad revenue. That's a big jump. This trend continued throughout the rest of 2025, which is great to see. I was really excited, and it helped that I was putting out quite a bit of content. I think I posted almost 100 videos across 2025, my busiest year on the platform so far. In July, we had 46.7K views, 1.7K watch hours, we gained 100 subscribers, and we had $453.16 in YouTube ads come in, which is excellent. August, pretty similar. Again, 49.2K views, 1.9K watch hours, 67 subscribers gained, and $405.49 in YouTube ad revenue. And now into September, I had a video pop off at the start of the month, which really helped to push our numbers up. We had 54.9K views, 2.2K watch hours, 135 subscribers gained, and $466.40 in YouTube ad revenue. And now we're into October, which is kind of the start of that holiday spend buzz that I talked about, where advertising becomes more prevalent and your CPM goes up. So you earn more per 1,000 views from YouTube's ad network. So in October, we had 50.4K views, 2.3K watch hours. We gained 93 subscribers and generated over $500 in YouTube ad revenue. $506.79 is what we made that month. I believe up until the rest of the year, this was my single biggest month so far for YouTube AdSense revenue. And in November, we blew past that again. November was a crazy month on the channel. We had 74.8K views, 3.2K watch hours. We gained 190 subscribers. Thank you, everybody. That's a huge jump in 1 month for a channel my size. And we made $662.23 in YouTube ad revenue. Huge, huge month. And December, 2025, last month, we smashed it out of the park even further. 112.4K views, 4.2K watch hours. We gained 167 subscribers and generated $643.78 in YouTube ad revenue. Now, if you've been adding up the monthly numbers, you'll know that isn't the $6,500 number I told you at the start of the video. From YouTube alone, YouTube ad revenue, we generated $4,964.11 from 654,000 views, 24.7K watch hours, and we gained 1,200 subscribers. All these metrics significantly higher than 2024 and any other year. Now, let's talk about the rest of that revenue, which is missing that would make up that 6.5K figure. Most of it came from affiliate commissions. $1,505.69 to be precise came from affiliate marketing. So that's the links down in my descriptions. When you click on them and you make a purchase, it supports the channel. I get a little bit of a kickback, whether that's from an independent partner, a brand that I'm working with in their affiliate program, or most popular for I think most creators is the Amazon affiliate network, Amazon Associates, and that's driven the majority of this affiliate revenue this year is that Amazon program. But I do love working with all my other brand partners. Now there's two more sources of revenue that make up that $6,500 figure still. This year I did $159.50 in paid collaborations, and I know that's not very much, but the brand that I was working with on a paid collaboration, I will not name them, but unfortunately they invalidated our contract. They broke our contract and they refused to pay me for videos I made for them. So we only got off the ground a little bit with that paid initiative, and then they disappeared into the ether, never to be worked with again. Kind of unfortunate, but sometimes that's how it goes. And last but not least, we made $39.43 from my store, my fourth wall store, where I sell my wallpaper packs. But also this year, I created a course for the first time ever about the Remarkable devices. I will leave it linked below, and if you would like to check it out and buy a copy, I would hugely, hugely appreciate it. I spent hours and hours and hours working on not just the written content, but also the video content that goes along with the PDF copy of the course. If you have a Remarkable device and are looking for a little bit of added functionality or need some tips and tricks, or you're considering buying a Remarkable and you don't know where to start, you don't know what accessories to choose or which device to choose, this course breaks down everything in detail. It's almost 70 pages long. Lots and lots of good tidbits in there and stuff that I've learned from using a Remarkable for years and years. So again, I'll leave it linked down below if you want to check it out. That'd be greatly appreciated. And just for the viewers of this video, you can use my special code Remarkable20. You get 20% off, and you can check it out at a little bit of a better deal. That's for being a loyal fan of the channel and for sticking around to this part in the video. But that is all of the sources of revenue and income that came together to produce that $6,500 figure of revenue generated this year in total directly from YouTube and what I do here on the channel. So again, thank you to everybody who liked, commented, shared, subscribed, interacted with the content this year on the channel, that liked the content on the channel this year. While I'm not a massive, massive channel, and this is very much still just a passion project and hobby for me, it's been amazing to see the growth over the years I've been on YouTube. And again, more of that is coming in 2026. So if you're not subscribed, hit that button below. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I love interacting with you guys, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.